Summer heat can take a toll on your vehicle. Here's how to keep it running smoothly. High temperatures can overheat your engine. Check your coolant levels regularly to prevent breakdowns. Battery drain. Heat can drain your battery faster. Ensure it's in good condition and replace it if needed. Tire pressure. Hot weather increases tire pressure. Check your tires frequently to avoid blowouts and ensure safety. Fluid levels. Heat can cause essential fluids to evaporate. Regularly check and top off oil, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air conditioning. Your AC works harder in the heat. Have it serviced to ensure it keeps you cool all summer long. Beat the heat by keeping your vehicle in top shape. Preparation is key. But remember, breakdowns happen. Call CarShield to help avoid unexpected repairs. Stay cool and drive safely.